Now it is time to export our 5 images. And a really easy way to do this is we will open our layers and I'm going to select. So I'm just going to shift click the 5 images which I want to export. Now I don't believe you have to do this next part, but it's good organization. So here are the 5 images which I'm going to use in the discussion, and then at one point in the exercise layout. So with these 5 selected, I'm just going to click on the folder down here for create a new group. And this is group 1, so we'll double click, and this will be edited images. Okay, and then we'll take the 4 which the eyeballs are turned off so they're invisible, and these represent the original images. So we'll select these 4 and we'll click on our folder, double click, and this will be original images. So I just do this, and I encourage you to use folders. It's just good organization, and that is something you want to strive for in your digital work, to be very organized. All right, so let's go ahead and open the edited images, and I'm going to, now this is also an advantage to using a folder. If I were to do a quick export on the folder, okay, and we could do quick export, or we could do export as, what would happen is all of the images would be exported as a single file, which you might want to do. Okay, now in this example I'm going to click, so I can just shift click each of the 5, and because each of the 5 are selected, now they should export as individual files. So let's go ahead and export as, and you're going to see all 5, and we can click on these one at a time. And again, we could do the 2 up, and we can do a compare and contrast. So we're just going to start with this top image. I'm going to leave this at a pixel density of 1, and we'll just take a look that roughly these images are between 118 and 144, but we can do better. And you should experiment with each. And again, what you're doing is you're looking at the quality of the image based on the format and the quality settings which you select. So I'm going to go with 70, okay, and then just clicking anywhere in here should set that. You'll see this one is dropped down in size, so I'll select the next, and I'm just going to do a kind of a blanket approach here. I'm just going to make all of mine 70. So I'm going to go through and do each one at a time, 70% on the quality. Like so. Then we're just going to verify, see the width is 400, and you could do that on all 5. We want to embed our color profile, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on export. We are going to export these. I'm placing mine in my exercise 1 video folder, which I'm doing the video demos for. Then there's the tone and manner images, and this is where we exported from the second crop approach video the 3 different density representations of our image. So I'm going to go ahead and just click open, Photoshop's going to think about this for a moment and process the information. Let's go ahead and hide Photoshop. We'll find our Tone and Manner image folder, and we now have the next 5 images which are ready to be added to our discussion in our Canvas class.